back in the garage on this Tuesday night. I have misted a coat of primer on the right quarter, the rocker panel, and the right side of the cowl panel. I'll put a couple of coats on it after this splashes, and then I will be ready to final block the car. All the body work is done on Sally. The last bit of the priming is also done. Almost forgot about the gas door. It was laying in the trunk. We got to block both quarter panels, sand the jambs, the door jambs, sand the jambs in the trunk. I've got to seam seal both sides of the quarter drip rail right here. Got to seam seal the rocker panel and the quarter there. Got to seam seal the A pillar and the rocker panel there. And she will be ready to final sand, give her a good cleaning, wash the engine bay out pretty good, wash the inner fenders, wash the wheel wells, wash the underneath of her. Then she'll be ready to load her up on the trailer and take her to work. Hopefully one day next week we'll be doing a video of it being painted. Paul has really done a great job for me on all the stuff that's been painted so far. Really do appreciate it. I got the cowl seam sealed at the rocker panel. Got the top of it seam sealed. It still looks a little rough. It's flowable seam sealer. It will level out, especially since it's cooler. Drip gutter on this side done. Kind of hard to get around in here. Got so much stuff. Got this side seam sealed. Rocker panel to the A pillar, quarter panel to the rocker panel, and the drip gutter on this side. It'll look a whole lot different after it's primed and painted. Like I said, it will flow out some. Probably take it a day to really dry, since it's as cool as it's turned off. Make sure you leave me a comment if you like my video, and we'll see you on the next one.